It was a pleasure meeting you, 3G modem. Well, this is actually 2G modem and 1G modem. Together they are 3G. Hello YouTube, what's up my friends, Moody is here, and today I got my old 3G modem, and today I tried to use it after a long time of throwing it away. I don't know if the battery was messed up because I stored it while it's fully charged. And for your considerations, when you wanna store some device that has a lithium battery, it has to be charged to the half. You don't have to fully charge a device that will stay in your drawer for a month or two and so on. So unfortunately when I stored it, I left it fully charged. So basically I don't know if I messed it up by storing it fully charged or because I tried to connect this LED USB light through its USB port while it was charging. I honestly don't know. It works as a power bank as well, not just a 3G modem, but it was connected while I connected this light to it, so frankly I don't know what happened. So it doesn't work anymore, and I decided to discover what's inside it with all of you my friends. So I basically have no idea how to disassemble it. It has no screws, nothing at all. So I think, oh, or hold on a second, there is a hidden screw. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. There is a hidden screw down there. Let's remove this sticker that has the MAC address and some passwords. So there we go. So that was a plastic hole, just a tiny hole down there, not a screw here. So again, I will have to try this on my own. I have to improvise. I don't know a proper way to open it up, but I insist to discover what's inside it with all of you my friends. Nice. We're getting there. Alright. Nice and easy. Voila. We just did it. It's just a plastic cover with a plastic top to protect this nice super clear OLED screen, which I used to love it so much, but unfortunately it's not working anymore. So let's keep disassembling it. Since I bought it, I was so curious to discover what's inside, but honestly I didn't want to mess it up while it was working perfectly. But since it's not working anymore, so it's a great opportunity to look inside. Don't you agree? Nice. It's getting out. Nice and easy. And voila. Check this out. So here is just a plastic container. Nothing inside. And here is a massive battery, my friends. This is really a huge battery for a USB modem. So it has some connectors, so Maybe I'm not gonna lose the battery after all, maybe it's working fine, but I have no proper way to charge it or use it. Great. So here is the board itself. And I have no idea how to see what's inside. Is it gonna be an easy task or not? Alright, here is what's inside. Let's uncover the rest of them. It's full of chips, just chips and microprocessors. Check this out. I think that these were the antennas. Frankly, the design of them is meant for a better reception, 3G reception, to get a better signal. And yeah, my friends, this modem was really having a great performance, and it used to get full bars. Alright, so more and more RAM and microprocessors. Qualcomm. So it looks really beautiful, and I'm really sorry I messed it up today. But it was a good modem and it did very well with me during the several years of usage. And I'm planning to get a 4G modem anyway. So I wanted to open it up with all of you, my friends, and it was just a total curiosity. So, as always, that was it, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. Please give us thumbs up if you liked the video, and for sure subscribe for more. That would be so much helpful. Until then, I will see you in the next one. Peace. So as you can see, my friends, it's not charging anymore, unfortunately. I felt so sad, really, when I saw this. But frankly, I had no clue how to make it work. So after all this teardown and after everything, it's still working, my friends, as you can see. Super clear OLED screen, I really missed it. The usage data and no SIM card, as you can see. I removed my 4G SIM card and I'm planning to install it on some 4G modem, which I will of course unbox it with all of you, my friends, the moment I put my hands on a good one. When I disconnect it, as you can see, it will turn off right away. So the battery is frankly not working and I have no idea why. Is it because I left it for a long time while it's fully charged, or because of this dim light which I tried to connect it and it wasn't working at all? Obviously this is where the SIM card goes. Bye bye SIM card. Bye bye SIM card slot. Obviously they are making the USB port very indestructible. And here is where the micro SD card goes, with a tiny spring inside. It was a pleasure meeting you, 3G modem. Well, this is actually 2G modem and 1G modem. Together they are 3G.